This is the Samsung Galaxy A07. And for once, I think Samsung is actually feeling, threatened, especially in the, entry level to budget smartphone market. Because this device literally comes with everything in the box. And I mean everything. So a case and a charging brick, depending on where you get it from, is actually present in the box, which I feel is nice. I mean, I think Samsung is trying to play, catch up, especially with the fact that they've been losing out on market share revenue when it comes to this entry to, budget level devices, especially in the Nigerian market. Anyways, for 134,800 Naira, what does the Samsung Galaxy A07 give you, and should you buy it? Well, these questions and more will be answered in the course of this video. So you know what to do. Kindly click on that like button so that more people can get to see this video, and that subscribe button as well. Thank you guys for 6,000 subs, and with that being said, let's jump right into this video. The Samsung Galaxy A07 has undergone a couple of upgrades from its predecessor. Now, design still looks the same. I mean, nothing crazy. We still get a mono speaker setup, side-mounted fingerprint scanner that doubles as the power button, and a dual 4G nano SIM card tray with SD card support. The basics. It is an IP54 splash and dust resistant certified device, so it is okay against light splashes, and that's all. Now, moving on to the display, yes, we still have bezels. I mean, the U notch is still there. However, it's a 90Hz refresh rate display, which is an upgrade from the 60Hz of last year. It is still a 720p IPS LCD display, which makes it decent for, social media content consumption and stuff like that, which is generally the main, purpose of this device. Now, the major upgrade from the A06 of last year has to be in performance. Under the hood is the MediaTek Helio G99. Frankly, I didn't expect this at all, and correct me if I'm wrong, this has to be the best or the, highest performing smartphone at this price range right now. In my region currently, you can get the 4GB of RAM, 64GB of storage model, which is decent. Every app you run will work with no issues. You can also game on it to an extent, which is actually nice. Now, if you are planning on purchasing the Galaxy A07, then I'll recommend you get the 6GB model if you can find it. Software is Android 15 with One UI 7. You get the new Samsung UI and icons. Samsung is also promising you 6 years of Android OS upgrades. I don't know if the smartphone will last that long, but hey, nobody at this price range gives you this level of reassurance Samsung does, so thumbs ups to them. Battery is a 5000 mAh cell capable of lasting through the entire day, and it charges at 25 watts, which is an improvement from the Galaxy A06. At the rear, we get a 50 megapixel camera which takes photos typical of devices at this price range. Give it enough light and it takes decent photos. Videos can go up to 1080p 30 frames per second with no stabilization. But yeah, that's the overview of the Galaxy A07. Is it a worthy upgrade? Yes. Is it worth getting? Yes. Should you get it? Yes. I mean, basically, if you have 150,000 Naira or less, or basically 140,000 Naira, just go for the Galaxy A07. It is the best performing smartphone you can get right now, especially when the price is, considered. And, it's a Samsung phone. The software is really the major reason why most Samsung users go for their, lower end devices instead of, the alternative in the market. So yeah, let me know your own thoughts in the comments, and thanks for watching. Catch you guys in the next one. Peace.